All right, well, we got a lot to cover today, so let's go on to our housing provider tip of the week. What do you got for us?
Yeah, for the housing provider tip of the week, changing your locks. So in Cook County, it is law that you are supposed to be changing your locks between tenants. Even if you are owner occupied and you're moving out and renting it out, you are still supposed to be changing your locks. Now you could rekey them or you could change your physical locks, but that is a law. And that law goes as far as say that if you don't change the locks or you can't prove you change the locks and something happens, whether they get broken into or some sort of criminal act happens, you as the owner could be liable, both in personal liability court and then also criminal. So it is something that you want to make sure you're doing it. Maybe, for us at GC Realty, we use the quick set smart locks that are able to really, rekey up really easy each time, but make sure you have some system. I'll admit, early on, when I first started buying properties 20 years ago now, it's like, if I'm going to spend that $100, I'm going to call that locksmith, that I would do it. But I think really quickly, we realized that it's just not worth it. And, as I've grown, safety for everybody has always became one of my top concerns, to make sure everyone feels safe and is safe. So make sure you change out those locks. It's law in Cook County, but it's just a best practice anywhere you're at.
Yeah, 100% agree. I mean, I think the new key locks are going to become more and more prevalent just because of this, right?
Yeah.
It makes turnover easier.
Yeah. You got that. And then you got everyone is whole, you got a lot of electronic locks out there. Now, sometimes, if you're in C or D class, some of those electronic lock sets don't make sense. But for the A and B, they have it even easier set up to be able to switch out locks really easy, even on your own without a locksmith or a handyman.